All right, we're getting the lower gear oil out of a Honda 4-stroke 25 BF25AY to be specific. I've already taken the drain plug out down here. You probably can see just a wee bit coming out, and yeah, we got some water in our oil. Nothing's dripped down yet, but one's for oil level. This one's for oil level. This one's for water. We got oil level. Already taken out this drain screw at the bottom. Looks like maybe I should have tilted the engine a bit. Got some new gaskets. Now, I did not buy, I bought Quicksilver, but this is the type of oil that the Hondas want. Didn't buy the Honda oil. I'm going to tilt this thing up in a minute, see if any more comes out. Alright, I gave it a tilt, see if it came out any more. That seems like a better model because this hole is in the front. Alright, I went up one more click. One more click on the tilt on this thing. Still not a lot dripping out for some reason now. Interesting enough, it just now started dripping out. Alright, well, it's coming out slow. That's what you get when you do it in January. I used this gas fuel line to put up against that hole and blow hot air into it. I think it helped. Not only did it blow some out, but it also warmed up the oil a little bit. So it seems to be coming out a little more. It's just going slow. How the heck is this height the right height to drain? But it drained more out once I went up to this height. But it then stopped. It's weird. There it goes. Look at that. All right, folks. Maybe you need to be on this angle to drain the lower end. Now you can see it says oil drain down here on this end. Have to leave this till morning. Just let it run all night. A little after 5, and we're going to lose the sun in a minute. We'll see. Keep going.